Welcome guys, let me show you how much YouTube paid me for a video with 500 views. Now let's go to my desktop and see. This is one of my channels, my faceless YouTube channel. This video has gotten 529 views since it was published. Now let's go to the analytics and see. This video had an impression of 8,500. That means it was suggested to 8,500 people on YouTube. And out of those 8,500, 529 people chose to view this video, giving us a total impression click-through rate of 4.9%. So this video also had 449 unique viewers. That means out of the 529 people that viewed this video, 449 people were viewing this video for the first time. That was their first time on my channel. Let's go down and see other analytics that we have here. This video, people watched this video from Creator Studio, that's the YouTube studio. Others came across my video in Google search, others from YouTube. Now these are contents that were suggesting my video. I investigated Australia's richest traders. My wife doesn't want to take a $720K. These are the contents that suggested my videos. Now let's move to engagement and see what we have. Engagement, I had 13.5 watch hours on this particular video. So this video of 529 views gave me 13.5 watch hours and had an average view duration of 1 minute 31 seconds. So people that watch this video watch for an average of 1 minute 31 seconds. This is a video of 5 minutes 54 seconds. Just 5 minutes 54 seconds. Now look at the average percentage viewed. 26% of this video was viewed on average. Let's look at the audience. Returning viewers were just 16 people that were coming back to my channel to watch this video, and unique viewers, like I said earlier, 449. And this video gave me total subscribers of 6, just 6 subscribers, and I'm grateful for that. Then coming down, you can see that those who are not subscribed to my channel, they make up 94% of the people that watch this video, while the remaining 5% are those who are subscribed to my channel. And looking at the top geographies, you can see that United States is 17%, India is 12%, Philippines 4%, South Africa had 4%, and Nigeria 2%. So these are the people, the top geographies watching my videos. Thank you so much US, thank you India, Philippines, South Africa, and Nigeria. Now let's go to the revenue. This is what we are here for. This is what we want to see. Now the revenue, what YouTube paid me for this video was $2.61, or should I, how is it even pronounced? Is it $2.61 or $2.61? Let me know in the comment section how you guys pronounce this particular amount. So YouTube paid me $2.61 just for a video of 529 views. Now let's look at the video performance. Look at the revenue for this video. The RPM I got, YouTube paid me an RPM of $4.94 for 1,000 views. But because I didn't get up to 1K views, I had half of 1,000 views. They now paid me $2.61, which is almost half of this $4.94, considering the fact that I got half of 1,000 views. So why did they pay me this amount? This is because look at what the advertisers are paying for this video. They are paying $12 for this video. $12 just to get their ads shown on my video. $12. And YouTube in turn is giving me 4.94. That means approximately $5. YouTube is paying me $5 for just 1,000 views on my video. And so far I didn't even get up to 1,000 views. I got just 529, and they are giving me $2.6. That's like $3 for just the 500 views that I've accumulated on this video. So guys, that is how much YouTube paid me for 500 views. Remember guys, the geography of my viewers also contributed to this particular revenue that I got from YouTube. So because I had more of people in the US, YouTube is paying me more, and I'm having more revenue, more ads being shown to my video because of people in the US. And I also have South Africa, India, Philippines, and Nigeria. So all these things together with the video topic, it's a finance niche, together with this thing contributed to how much I was paid. So that is how much YouTube paid me for 500. But before you go, YouTube wants you to watch this video on how much they paid me for 5,000 views.